Okay, we're filming this one for you, Mom.
Octopus sashimi.
Alright, what is this? Is that ginger?
Uh-huh.
That's some thick ginger.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Ooh.
Tuna is really good.
Okay, we'll be back earlier for sure.
Is that what I'm supposed to
Good.
do? My tag to go.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So good. So cold.
Thank you. We'll be back.
We'll share the last one. I'm really excited about the salmon.
That one's good.
Oh, nice and cold. So that was what was that one?
That was, I don't remember, but she's right behind you.
That was good though. So this is salmon. It's like they're getting slimier and slimier.
Alright, here we go.
What?
There's a tentacle, or a sucker.
Yeah, let's see, ready?
Octopus.
Chicken.
Let me go to chicken.
Chicken.
It tastes like, scallops.
Yeah. Yeah.
Octopus tastes like scallop.
Thank you.
Oh, there's one each. That was for you.
Yeah, the big one this time.
Not a fan.
Yeah.
Hold on. Look at this. Look at that.
That's straight up sucker.
Ooh, you can see where the tendons is. To the center.
Yeah. That's so weird.
Alright. Wanna split them?
You like it more than I do, so
Ooh, the
you
tentacle.
can have the rest.
Really?
That's a sucker, actually, that I pulled out.
Mm.
Okay.
You don't
Not
like
bad.
it much? Here, you like this one. I know you like this one.
It's okay. It's all yours.